step number 5, primary economic activity. Last time we have finished with the hunting and gathering, and we know where hunting and gatherings are practiced, and what is hunting, right? What is gathering, all right? And what are the the uses of the uses of plants that has been gathered, all right? And many important things that we have discussed at the same time. The primary economic activity is also known as a red collar job, right? Now today we shall start with the pastoralism. As I told you, I'm going to give a numbering. So for the hunting, I've given a number 1, and for the gathering, number 2, and for the pastoralism, right? Pastoralism, I'm going to give a number 3. All right. Okay. So pastoralism is a domestication of animal. The hunting and gathering is not suffice, and long time back, maybe people might have gone with they have learned how to domesticate the animals, all right? Or maybe hunting and gathering is not a good job, all right? And because of that, they might have shifted to the pastoralism. Okay, means they have started the domestications of animal, keeping an animal in other sense. Okay, domestications of animal. So in the pastoralism, you will find 2 different types. That is a nomadic herding and the commercial the livestock rearing. But I have given you a numbering so that you will understand. Okay. So in the nomadic herding, what is nomadic herding? All right. Nomadic herding is also known as a nomadism, and this is a subsistence activity. Subsistence activity is an activity which where the productions or whatever they get from the animals consumed by themselves. Okay, and it's used for food, clothing, and shelter. And the meaning of nomadic herding. You can see over here, the nomad move from one place to another with the animal, all right, the animals forward, pastures and water. So that is the nomadic herding, okay. And in this nomadic herding, what they will do, or the herders rely on animals. Their life depends on, their livelihood depends on animals. Okay, relay means depend on animal. For example, food, shelter, clothing, tools, right? The animal bones can be used for the tools, making tools, all right? And transport. They will on the back of an animal, they will transport whatever they have. Okay. Is that clear? And then each nomadic community occupies well-defined route and territory. So nomad have their own territory and they have own route. Okay, that is exactly what is happening in Tibet. And at the same time, last year there was a huge debate regarding the Doglam, all right, and between the Tibet and the Bhutan, right? So that territory is a distributed area, but a long time back it's where the nomad moves, all right, here and there, all right, most probably during the summertime. Okay, so they have different routes, different ways, okay, or different well-defined routes and territory. And variety of animals are kept in different regions. So different region keep different animals. For example, in the tropical area. In the tropical area, for example, tropical area is an area which are near to the equator, right? In those areas, all right, the important animal they kill is cattle, right? and in the Sahara and Asiatic what? Desert. In those deserts, in the Sahara, so Bushman, right? The tribal people living in those areas, or those nomadic peoples are known as Bushmen, and here the Asiatic are Kyrgyz. So in this desert, the people keeps, all right, sheep, goat, and camel. So the different region keeps a different animals. For example, the mountainous area of Tibet, all right, our own land, all right, you know what do we keep? And in the Andes in South America, right, in those Andes mountain, right, in South America, they, in Tibet we do keep yak, and in Andes they will keep llama, all right, okay. And in the Arctic area, in the high latitude area, especially in the north, all right. In the north, they will keep reindeer. Okay, for example, you might have seen the reindeer, right, during the Christmas time, and then the picture called Narnia. All right, if you try to see that, then you will find the reindeer there. Okay, then transhuman. So in the pastoralism, all right, in this system, the transhuman, all right, is the concept which has been discussed in your textbook. What does this say? All right, and the meaning of transhuman is the movement of nomad. What they will do? They will move. All right, who will move? Nomad. All right, they will move from where? From plain areas. All right, from the plain areas to the pastures on the mountain, from the plain area to the mountain area. Okay, and do when? And at the same time during the summer. Okay, and again from the mountain to, from the top to, and mountain pastures to the plain areas during the winter. All right, and this is known as transhuman. Is that clear? So in other sense, you can use in a very simple word, you can for this for your understanding, I'm telling you, all right, the vertical movement, all right, vertical movement of the nomad is known as transhuman, or up and down movement of nomad is known as transhuman. Is that clear? And sadly, nowadays the area of these pastoralism, all right, pasture area, nomad is going down, as the case is happening in Tibet. The Chinese people have cut down the many, they have shifted the nomad people to the urban areas, or they have, they have asked them to live permanent or live in a permanent area. Okay, and the whole the nomad's life is shrinking. Nomad's area is shrinking. All right, and why? This is because because of a political boundary. Okay, before long back, we do not have a boundary. For example, no boundary between the Tibet and the Bhutan. The Bhutan people, nomadic people, they will come to Tibet and they will graze the animals and go back to their land. And then we also go to one season we will go to their land also. All right, and Dockland, right? So we share that. We move. All right, there's no actual boundary there. Right? So, but now there is trouble. There's the political boundaries going on. Or there's a conflict going on. So that indicates there's a shrinking of nomadic areas. And at the same time, different countries have. The second reason is different countries have a different settlement plan, and because of that, and the world's the nomadic areas are shrinking. With this, we are going to stop for today's teaching. Thank you so much. Hello, samalo test le. Now we shall continue with the primary economic activity. Till now we have finished the 4 primary important primary economic activity, that is hunting, gathering, all right, pastoralism, and under the pastoralism, actually there are 2 types, that is nomadic herding and commercial raiding. But I'm going to give a numbering so that it will be a structure and it will be easy for you to understand. So we have finished with the nomadic herding, all right, and then now we are going to, the 5th one we are going to touch is the commercial livestock raiding. Okay, so first one is hunting, gathering, pastoralism, and then the nomadic herding and commercial livestock. Okay, now from the very beginning you try to understand what is the difference between these 2, nomadic herding and commercial livestock. Both are keeping the animals. The animals are almost the same, sheep, goat, and so on. But why it comes under different type. All right. Now the first one is the main difference between 2 is the first one is for the subsistence. All right. Whatever the product which they are getting from the animals are consumed by themselves for the family member purposes. All right, like which is happening in Tibet. In Tibet, whatever the product they will get, all right, they will consume by themselves for subsistence purpose. Then the next one, the commercial livestock raiding is meant for the commercial purposes. All right, whatever the product they get, all right, from those animals, they will. It is meant for trading. It is meant for business purpose. It is meant for commercial purpose. It is meant for market purpose. It is meant for profit making purpose. Is that okay? And they will run it for the run through the scientifically. Is that clear? Right. Now the commercial livestock raiding, from the term itself you will understand. All right. What is commercial livestock? If somebody asks you, all right, commercial livestock raiding is the activity where the animals are kept scientifically, all right, and then the product which they are getting from the animals are meant for the commercial purposes. Okay. Now we should see what are the steps in the commercial livestock raiding. So it's more organized. In the nomadic herding is not that much organized. They will move from one place to another, and that is a season too. But here it is more organized, all right, and at the same time the capital intensive, all right. Capital intensive in the sense they will use more money. Let's say the human capital, let's say in the technology, all those they are using more technology, all right, okay, and in the scientific form, all right. That's why it's known as capital intensive. Next one is a practice in permanent ranches. So they will they keeping an animal is in a permanent form. The nomadic herding is they are keeping the animal, all right. It's not permanent. They will move from season to season, all right, okay, and here, in the commercial livestock raiding, they will keep the animal in ranches. Now, I'll try to tell you what is ranches. So, ranches, right, is an area of land. An area of land. Let's say this is a land, okay, and an area of land which is divided into number of parcels. So, different parcels 1, 2, 3, 4, and 16. We will get 16 parcels divided into number of parcels, and animals to graze from one parcel to another scientifically. So they will graze. They will graze the animal in these parcels. All right, one after another or accordingly. Is that okay? According to the size of the pasture. Okay. And these parcels are nothing but the pasture land, which is in the parcel form, or they have put the fences or boundary. Is that okay? And that's why they have given a name ranches. The concept of mean ranches like the tag the mean good two ways man. Ranches like mean tas. The Kosadan chip. Satan side cake go. In a dita this Nyatan this Chigero. Nyadan the Yabuchiro would be boundaries. Rawakoche, Tushi, Serge, and Tuzi land could be sent in our Sugar. Finish parcel Tangodi, it's always new to the similar to she was little about parcel Tambu and you get a very Karanzan so that Konjuki Senji Yatan, they interviewed the Tumbe, Sili the Tumba Chitone, Kuzuki Yamio, Takuzuki Labor Pistan Yota. Jason has been our capital intensive. Human capital is a precious human capital based on technology and money and the parcel, those children could move in a nomadic culture, move alright. So that is the difference between, alright, they have given a different name, otherwise it is a pasture land. Okay, one of them. That's it. Permanent. So they will raise the animal in the permanent ranches, and nobody heard it. They will raise the animal in the mountain area, alright, and in the plain area, and they will move. And it's not a permanent one. And number of animals are moved from one parcel to another. So they will move from one parcel to another. In the case of nomadic herding, they will move from plain area to mountain area, alright, vertically. Okay, and up and down. A number of animals are kept based on capacity of the pasture. So they will see the pasture's capacity accordingly, and they will pick the animals. Okay, the important animals that you find in this, or the important animals they do keep are sheep, cattle, goat, horses. Okay, and now we should ask the products like a meat, wool, hide, alright, and skin, and especially the milk you will find. Okay, and these are the important products that they used to produce. Okay, and products are processed. They will process. Alright, let's say they will pack it. Alright. And then they will store it and so on. Okay, and products are processed and they will packed and exported to the different part of the world. So that means the product of these, the product which comes from these areas, commercial livestock ratings areas, all right, and those products are exported to a different part of the world. It will be reached to the different part of the world. That means it is meant for the commercial purpose, it is meant for the trade purpose, alright, it is meant for the business purpose, it is meant for the market purpose, alright, and because of that they will emphasize on, okay, breeding means increasing and then keeping the one breed of animal, okay, and the genetic improvement, the genetic improvement in other sense, the assimilation, okay, scientifically mixing the two semen of two different breeds semen, and then becoming or it will become you will get another breed, okay, and control the disease of the animal, and health care. They will maintain the health care of the animal, and this kind of commercial livestock ratings are practiced in the Australia, okay, New Zealand, and in the Uruguay and Argentina. In those because in those areas you will find a lot of pasture, and because of that, and you will find this the commercial livestock ratings. Okay, so with this we are going to stop today's teaching. Thank you so much.